That South Dakota weather sounds like what I remember up there.
Right.
Now, we're going to play this game. Now, of course, the producers have explained the game to you, Gwendolyn, but the Major has not had it described to him, and I'm going to explain it to him. It'll take me just a second here.
Okay.
You see, James, we have 7 products listed there on that board. Now, Gwendolyn already has the names of those products, and she also has the prices of those products. Now, the prices are concealed behind those little blue doors over there with the dollar signs, and the cash awards that you and Gwendolyn can share are hidden away right here behind these red doors with the question marks. And they're up there at random. We don't know where they are, but they range between $200 and $10,000. Hello, Gwendolyn. Are you still there? I thought maybe I heard a little flop after 10,000. I thought maybe I'd lost you. Now, Gwendolyn is going to give you a price. Then you're going to try to match the product to the price. And if you do, you and Gwendolyn share that cash award. Understand?
I understand.
All right, Johnny Olson, we're ready to hear about these products, please.
Right, Bob, first. Dinty Moore Beef Stew has hearty carrots and potatoes with chunks of beef and rich gravy. Dinty Moore Beef Stew, the real meat and potatoes meal from Hormel. Liquid Lemon Pledge for a clearly more beautiful natural shine. Liquid Lemon Pledge and the Easy Pump Spray for all your wood furniture. Quick and tender is Nissen Foods Oriental Noodle Side Dish. Cooks in just 3 minutes. Love the rich sauce. Now it's thicker, even more flavorful, quick and tender. Niagara, America's #1 selling spray starch, helps prevent the deep penetration of soil and stains for a crisper, firmer finish. Niagara Spray Starch. A real taste treat, large-size Hershey's Crackle, crisp rice and real milk chocolate, large-size Hershey's Crackle from the Hershey Chocolate Company. 20 Mule Team Borax, a natural for freshening and cleaning all the family wash and a handy for many household cleaning chores. And the original Fabergé Organics Conditioner with pure wheat germ oil and honey for fresh-smelling hair with Super Shine Super Body Organics by Fabergé. Bob?
All right, Gwendolyn, remember now, we want the price and not the product. If you mention the product, you lose that turn. And I'm going to give you 3 chances here, James. You and Gwendolyn will work on 3 of them together. Okay, what price do you wish to give us, Gwendolyn?
79 cents.
79 cents. James, what do you think is 79 cents? They're listed for you right there, too.
The candy, Hershey's Crackle.
He says the candy is 79 cents. Is he right? He is right. You got that one, Gwendolyn. Now, there's a cash award right here. There's a cash award right there, but we're not going to have a look at that until we're all through. Now, Gwendolyn, you got that one. Give me another price, please. Only the price.
$1.49.
$1.49, James. What's $1.49?
The pledge.
The pledge? The pledge is listed up there as polish, okay? How about it? No, that's $2.10. What is the product with that price? Can you tell? Yes, is the beef stew, is that right? Beef stew. $1.49. Okay, now, Gwendolyn, we have used the candy, which you matched correctly. We've also used the polish, and we've also used the beef stew. You have one more turn. Which price do you wish to go with this time?
55 cents.
55 cents, James.
The noodles.
The noodles. The noodles are 55 cents. Are they? Yes, they are. Okay. You have won 2 cash awards, and I am going to start with the candy here. How much did they win for the candy? $2,000. Gwendolyn, you've already won $1,000, and the Major has $1,000 because that candy that you matched was worth $2,000. Are you there, Gwendolyn?
Marvelous.
Yes.
I
thought I'd lost you again there for a minute. Now, you still got the noodles right, you know, so we're going to see how much we have back there. $3,000. You have a total of $5,000. You 2 have won $2,500 each.
Marvelous.
Yeah. Just a minute now. I want you to tell James how you feel about this.
I am certainly grateful for your help.
Yes, we owe each other a drink.
Well,
Really?
that's it. I'll take one.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
I'm sorry, we don't have any more time for you 2 drunks. But thank you, Gwendolyn. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. And
Thank
James,
you, and goodbye.
thank you very much.